Hello guys. So today I want to show you step by step how you can make money as affiliate marketer. So if you want to start making money from promoting other people product, like start making free money online, you don't have a website, there's no problem. You don't have a middle platform, there's no problem. So I will show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So for those of you who want to start promoting other companies product and make a profit out of it, so you need to watch this video because it's for you. You will learn a lot on this video, and you will go and apply what you learn to start making money for free. So my name is Gospel. If you don't know me, I talk about how to make money on this my YouTube channel. Any way that I've used that work for me, I come to share it with you guys on this my YouTube channel. So all you just need to do is to keep on watching, and I will show you step by step how you can make money for free with affiliate marketing on this video. So it will not be longer than 15 minutes, and I'll make sure this video is short and you will get a good result at the end of the day. So just watch this video from the beginning to the end. That is only what I ask from you. And subscribe and like my video if you find it interesting. Head over to my computer. I don't want to take your time, so let us just head right over to my computer. Let me show you step by step how you can make money with this method. So as you can see, guys, the first thing is to create our affiliate platform, is to create our affiliate account. So this is the platform we are going to use to create our affiliate account from. Like, we'll create our account from this affiliate platform, and they will give us product links, and we'll go and start sharing those links and start promoting those links, and we'll be making money if people click and they buy product with that from that link. So to create your account is very simple. Just click on this session and click on sign up. This session, click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, it will bring you to this page that you can see on the screen here. It will land you here. So all you just need to do, leave this part that say advertiser, come to this part. Advertiser are people, are brand. So we are publisher, we're people who just want to collect link and go and share it to people on social media and other platform and promote those links. So this is where you have to click. So once you come here, click on this section here, click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it will take you where you have to enter your email, your password, and your information. And make sure you remember your password and your email account that you use to sign up, and you are good to go. So it will bring you here. So once it land you on this page that you can see on the screen, enter your language, your country, enter your email address, re-enter your password, and re-enter your password at the bottom here, and just scroll down, scroll down, and click on I am not a robot and submit for email verification, and click on that, and they will send you an email for verification. So once they send you this email, you just need to click on that email for your account to be verified. So once your account have been verified, you will log into your CJ affiliate website. So before you log in, make sure you remember your email and your password, so because that is what you are going to be logging in every time. So don't forget that two things, your email and your password. So once you are good to go, you just need to come back again and click on log in. Click on log in from the website, and it will take you to the page where you have to enter your password and your email. So once you enter your password and your email, your account will be opened. Then once your account open, I will show you now how you can pick a product and start promoting them. So I just want to log into my CJ affiliate account. I hope you have logged into yours too. So I just wait in a second. I will log into my CJ affiliate account. As you can see, this is my CJ affiliate account. As you can see currently right now, I have not made any money, I have not made any sale, but I got one click and one impression today because I didn't really promote any product today. So as you can see, yeah, my account is zero. So what you have to do once you log into your CJ affiliate account, what you have to do first thing is to set up your profile. To set up your profile, click on this section, and you enter how you want to receive your money, your address, and other information they require from you. So once you have filled out all those information, then you will now move to the step where you have to go to advertiser account. So to get to your advertiser section where you have to pick different product, different brand that you want to promote, you just need to watch me doing. As you can see here, you will find the section of the new advertiser that is on this platform, which is CJ affiliate. So you can see those are the new advertiser on this platform. So you can just select any one. If you want to use those new one, try to promote all those new one. You can see how much this website is going to pay you. 10 cents, sorry, I say 10 cents, 10%, 8%, 5%, 20%. It depends on the company. So they don't pay one amount, they pay in different amount. So yeah, that is the things I need to talk about on this session. So to get to your advertiser, to make sure you pick the right product, how to apply, what you have to do is to come to this session here, watch my mouse, click on advertiser. So when I click on advertiser, it will take me to advertiser section where I will select the type of product I want to be promoting. Let us just wait and let it open properly. So as you can see here, those are affiliate program that I can decide to promote. So to start promoting them, first you need to apply for their affiliate program. To apply, all you just need to do is to scroll down to find the one that you have not applied. So as you can see, this I have not applied. It's telling me now apply to program. So if I click here now, I will apply. Let me say I want to apply to this one here. I will apply this 1800 get links. So if I click on this section here, I click on apply, and it's going to pop up this tab, and it will tell me that my request was sent. So the application is under review, as you can see at the top here. So it's telling me, it says application submitted for review. So is waiting now for review. So once they approve me, then I will now get the link and start promoting the link. So let me show you the ones that they have approved me on. So as you can see, this website, which is called InterServer, they have approved me. If I want to promote this now, I'll just click on this section that say get link. So this is how you can get link and start promoting the product once you have your affiliate link. Click on this section here. So if I click on this link section here, now that I have clicked, it will now open. So as you can see, it just opened. So now we are going to get the link. Now that you click on it, get link, it open like this. Click on any one of them that you wish. If you want to paste the HTML code on your website, that is where you need all those banners. So you can see they are all banners, but we just need a clickable link. So you need to click on this section. Once you click on this section, you will come to this section that says get a code. Click on get a code. So once you click on get a code, just scroll down again for you to see the screen very well. As you can see, the screen is a little bit small. So you can click on that. You can see that is on info. Click on this section that say get link. If you click on that section, it will open this one that you can see. You will see HTML if you want to paste it on your website as a banner. If you want to do JavaScript, you can use this code here. And if you want to do click link, which is what we need, is just this. We just need to click on this section that say click URL. Click on this section and copy this link here. So this is the link we are going to be promoting. We are going to start sending people to this link. Anyone that click on this link, they buy web hosting and domain from this platform, we will make a commission. So we need to copy this link, and we will move to the step to how you can promote this link. So I will show you now how you can start promoting this link. So you just need to come to this section and copy. So we want to move to the step on how you can start promoting this offer, this link for free. And when people click and participate, like buy web hosting from this InterServer web hosting company, you will be making money. So all you just need to do here now, you copy the link and you go to where you have to start promoting the product. So let me go. First place that I use to promote affiliate product is Quora. So Quora is a very simple platform that allows people like you and me to go and answer questions and post. So you can create a space on Quora and start posting on Quora. So you can see today I have 109 views on my post. I have not posted for long now. I just stopped using Quora for some long now because I start other business model that I'm doing. So that is why I have no that is why you see that my view on Quora now is a little bit low, is 191. So yeah, if you want to start answering questions on Quora, you just need to click on the home section and you need to click on this section here. So once you click on the home, it take you to the home. You click on this section that have question icon and this pen icon. Once you click on it, you'll find a lot of questions here that you can answer. So you will answer and attach that link. But if you attach that link, Quora might get you banned. So that's what I call bridge link. I call it bridge link. It's like you create a blog, and on that blog, you copy the link of that blog, you paste it on the question you answer on Quora, so that there will be a bridge between Quora question that you answer and that web hosting URL that you paste. So how you can do that is to go to this website again, which is called medium.com. So come to medium.com here It's the same thing. They don't allow link, but what you are going to do is going to call bridge a link. So if you do it on the 2, you have problem. What you can do again is to maneuver to other website. I will show you how you can do this. So you can go to medium.com, come to this session on medium.com, but I don't advise you to do it on medium.com or Quora. So there's a place I will take you to now, which is this website that you can see on the screen. Just wait. So guys, this is the website which is called blogger.com. So blogger.com is a very simple website that you can go and create your free website online, and you will now start blogging on this blogger.com. So to create your blog on blogger.com, you just need to click on the blog section here, post, and click on new post. And once you click on new post, it will now take you to this section here where you have to enter the title of the post, like get free web hosting. It will be the title, and at the bottom here you will now enter the script of the web hosting. You can enter a lot of content. Try to think about what you know that will be attractive, what will make people to take action about this web hosting company, things that they offer, and what you can get, what you cannot get, and why it's better than other web hosting company. You give more details about this. So once you are done, you click on publish, and your post will be live. So once your post is live, go back again to your post menu here, come to this section here, and here you will find the post. If for example this is the post, I will just click on this post here, because I have impeached that link that we collected from CJ affiliate program. So because we have collected that link, then we'll now come to this section. We have to click on preview here. So if you click on preview here, so we are going to collect the blog URL. So this is the blog URL at the top here. So we just need to copy the blog URL here, and copy the blog URL here, and you now go back to Quora again. So you come back to Quora and start answering questions, and at the end of the day, when people click on that link, it will take them to this blog that you blog from blogger.com. And what they will do now here, they will now come down, scroll down, and when they scroll down, they like what the content they read about this website, which is called blogger.com, which is called this web hosting company. What you blog about this web hosting company, you will now see that once they click on that link, they buy hosting and domain from that company. You will now make a commission. So you will make a commission on your CJ affiliate platform, and you will be seeing the movement and everything, all the earning that is coming. So that is how you can really promote your affiliate products on Quora or on your medium.com account. So as you can see, this is medium.com. You can see create articles here. You can just come to this section, write a story. You click on write a story. It's just the same thing like Quora, and you write a blog here, and you impeach that link you collected for blogger.com that you have linked the affiliate link on. So copy the URL of that blog that you have linked that affiliate link from, and at the end of the day, when they click on that link, you will see now that you'll be making money. So what you have to do on medium.com here again, to create a blog, you just need to write something. The title will be best web hosting company. We can just call it like that. Can just call it something like that, simple. And at the bottom here, you enter the script and everything, blah blah blah. You enter everything, and to enter the link, you just copy it, and you click on this URL link here. You click on that, and you paste the link that you copied from that blogger URL, because you have entered it, and click on enter from your computer, and now is boom. So when they click on this link and the link open, you will now make money. So that is how it works. And I will show you another way that you can use to make money with this method is through Facebook. So what you do on Facebook, go to Facebook. So once you're on Facebook, go to the search bar here, click on it, and search for make money online. Just search for make money online. Click on this section and search for make money online. Click on search, and now it's going to open make money online groups. So when you open make money online group, what you need to do is to join a bunch of make money online group. If it's web hosting, search for web hosting, join a lot of web hosting groups. So what you need to do here now, you see there's a bunch of group here that is talking about make money online. So we just need to just a second. So as you can see, you join this make money online group, and you come here, you come and post your articles. Just write a short post about that product you are trying to promote. Just come here, write a short post about that product you are trying to promote, and tell them that don't add a link. Don't add a link because you can get banned from the group. So don't add a link. Just write a short articles. Let me show you what you can write. Let me show you kind of articles that you can write when you are in any group, if it's web hosting company, affiliate, freelance, and all those things. So I will show you now what the type of articles you can write, how you can write it. Just wait and I'll show you. So I just write a short a message here. You can see this post that I just say who is looking for the best and the cheap web hosting service. With this web hosting company, you can create your website and make your work come true. If you are interested, contact me directly. So this is just a very simple post that you can leave, and when people contact you now, you will still give them more details about this web hosting service that you are trying to promote. And when they say, okay, I would like it, I would like to visit the website, then you now send them the link from that that you now send them that your affiliate link. So when they now click on that link, they see what you are trying to tell them, and they like it. What they will now do, they will now buy from that web hosting company, and you'll be making money. Let's say, for example, that website or that company have a recurring which is monthly payment, which is every month you are going to be making money. So let me say they have a recurring, you'll be making a lot of money at the end of the day. Let me say that person now say, okay, he now engaged on that web hosting, he's paying now every month he's paying money. That web hosting company, if they have a recurring commission, you will be making lifetime commission on that your promotion. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. So don't spam people, don't make people don't annoy people with your post, or don't make people to like push that link to them, but just give them the real and honest opinion about that web hosting company, and at the end of the day, you will be making money. So all you just need to do now is to start using this method. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end the video from here, and I'll say thank you very much if you watch this video to the end. And again, don't forget to check out my website, which is www.ugospower.com. And again, don't forget again to check me out on Instagram. I am RayGodsPower. On Facebook, I am RayGodsPower. On Twitter, I am RayGodsPower. I want you to leave me a comment if this video really helped you. If it don't help you, leave me a comment. If it helped you, leave me a comment. I just want to hear and know what you people feel about this video. I'll say thank you very much and peace out.